Silence is a woman's loudest cry. You can always tell she's hurt when she starts ignoring you. It's not the yelling or the tears that speak the loudest. It's the quiet moments when she pulls back, when her messages get shorter, or when she stops saying goodnight. It's the empty spaces in conversations that used to be filled with laughter and the absence of the little things she used to do. Silence doesn't mean she doesn't care. It means she's tired of repeating herself, tired of being unheard. She's not asking for much, just to be seen, understood, and loved the way she gives it. But when her heart feels neglected, when her efforts go unnoticed, she shuts down. The loudest sign of her pain isn't in her words, it's in the way she retreats to protect herself. When she stops reaching out, it's not because she's given up on you, it's because she's trying to save whatever is left of her own heart. She's wrestling with the hurt alone, hoping you'll notice before it's too late. Don't let her silence push you away. Love her loudly,